What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. We're all loaded up. Fire up, Keith. Let's get going to the expo. Come on. Yeah, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste and a race, bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't seen me stack. So it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. It's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me, come down with
All right. Hopefully you enjoyed those tractor pulls real quick. Now we're gonna be going to stock class drag racing. Sorry I did not get very many tractor pulls filmed on it. It's not really super my thing, but I know some of you guys enjoy it. Slash all of the students that are actually building their stuff and watching my videos. Hopefully you enjoyed and got to see your rig run. There was one super senior in there, and then the rest of them were students. So let's jump over to stock class and see how they do. Again, I didn't film a whole crazy ton amount with stock class. I filmed what I could, but then they needed help with coordinating who was in what lane and everything. So I helped them out with that. Actually, I did a lot of helping. But next week, stay tuned for the video. Keith did a takeover for my channel. He is going to go over the drift trikes and some of my booth thing that I set up. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, next week's video is going to be even more epic, a lot more racing and craziness with it, burnouts. It's gonna be sweet. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing of my channel, go out and go find your passions.